of a trade-off with Hurricane Florence as we've been going throughout the day as the storm continues to grow in size, but then it's compromising its strength as now Florence is checking in a Category 2 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 110 miles per hour. The storm is currently positioned 280 miles to the east-southeast of Wilmington, North Carolina, and is continuing to barrel towards the northwest, and that's going to be continuing through the rest of the week. So taking a look at Florence now, you can still see that really well-defined kind of structure of this hurricane as it continues to turn closer to the Carolina coast. The eye wall becoming more distinct. The eye itself also still very small at this point. One of the key figures that we normally see with these major hurricanes that are continuing to churn over these very warm ocean waters. And as I mentioned, Florence really grew in size. Right now the diameter 550 miles. To put that in perspective, at the greatest length from east to west across Kentucky, we only measure about 417 miles. So certainly we could fit the Commonwealth inside the footprint of Florence, again, as it continues to track closer to the coast. So as we go throughout Thursday, we are expecting the storm to stay a Category 2. As it then runs up towards the South Carolina coast, it may weaken down to a Category 1 as it looks to make landfall closer to Wilmington, North Carolina. Now at this point, Category, yes, means that we're going to be seeing some very strong winds, but it's going to be not only the strength, but also the position and the speed of the storm that really could make it historic across the coastal Carolinas. So again, looking ahead to Friday morning, that's when landfall is expected with the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. From there, it's going to continue to skirt the South Carolina coast and could be tracking just to the north of Charleston. But at the same time, with that counterclockwise circulation around the storm, it's going to continue to pull not just the rain, but also the ocean on shore. So the storm surge and torrential rain could lead to more inland flooding as well. The storm is expected to weaken as it moves over South Carolina, but then eventually will be turning northward into early next week and could be playing a role in our forecast, skipping ahead to Monday. In terms of rainfall, historic amounts across coastal North and South Carolina. In fact, upwards of pushing potentially 3 feet of rain will be possible in spots. Along with that, the storm surge is just going to agitate things and lead to additional flooding. And then looking ahead to our potential rainfall, again, this is going to be on Monday. Less looking out to the west. In fact, the I-75 corridor will be about the dividing line between nothing and about a ½ inch. But then as we move into our eastern Kentucky counties, 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible as rain continues to funnel northward into early next week. Outside right now, we're checking in at 67 degrees in Lexington. Throughout the evening hours, we've been seeing a few more breaks in the cloud cover. That trend is going to continue overnight and into the day tomorrow. So we'll call for some clearing tonight. Will end partly cloudy, but there will be some patchy fog. We're also a tad warmer too, as temperatures will drop back into the mid-60s. Then tomorrow, we finally break through the murk and the clouds as we'll be seeing partly sunny skies into the afternoon. It's also going to be turning summer-like as we're tracking high temperatures in the mid-80s. And as we continue through the rest of the work week, even into the weekend, we are keeping things dry as Florence has slowed down just a little bit. Not going to be completely dry in terms of rain chances. There could be a stray shower or storm that pops up, but overall we're looking good through Saturday. It's into Sunday. A few showers will begin to creep into the south. Then we're tracking scattered showers and storms from Florence Monday and Tuesday, which will be cooling temperatures off as we look ahead to the middle of next week.